The pilgrimage tour of Ilocos Sur. Why travel to faraway places to find pilgrimage sites when we have them here in the Philippines?
Hi, I'm Governor Dvbs. Welcome to the Heritage Province of Ilocos Sur. Whether you believe in miracles or you're just looking for beautiful sceneries, architectural wonders, and incredible history, you don't need to go anywhere else than here in Ilocos Sur. Our pilgrimage tour starts here at Santa Lucia Church. Let's go.
St. Lucy Parish in Santa Lucia, Ilocos Sur. Its feast day is December 13 and was established in 1586.
Santa Lucia is a curious mixture of styles. If you look at the doorways, they're Romanesque. The columns, Egyptians. If you look at the dome, it's a tin plate Renaissance. And the windows are Gothic in style. Santa Lucia has performed so many miracles, especially for persons suffering from eye ailments.
Divine favors pin on her dress silver-plated metal casts in the form of eyes, hand, arm, or leg, depending on which part of the body was healed. Our Lady of Assumption Parish in Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur. Its feast day is August 15 and was established in April 25, 1765.
This is a great exercise for pilgrims. 86 steps going up to reach the doorstep of the church. The UNESCO World Heritage Sites includes the Taj Mahal of India, the Angkor Wat of Cambodia, and the Great Wall of China. Here in Ilocos Sur, we have two UNESCO World Heritage Sites, the Vegan Heritage Village, and this one, the Church of Assumption.
The statue of Apo Bakit is made of wood in ornate sculptural style with ivory face and hands. Her hands are extended wide and her head is looking upward, portraying her assumption into heaven. St. Augustine Parish in Bantay, Ilocos Sur. Its feast day is every first Sunday of September. It was established on April 20, 1591. To the left of the church is another impressive landmark in Bantay. It is the bell tower.
Do you believe in miracles? We are here in the shrine of Nuestra Señora de la Caridad, the patroness of Ilocos. She is popularly known as Apo Caridad, Our Lady of Charity. She is my favorite saint. I've asked so many favors from her. Do you know that Apo Caridad cured so many illness and helped so many farmers in their harvest? If you want to get closer to her, let's go.
St. Paul Metropolitan Cathedral in Vigan, Ilocos Sur. Its feast day is January 25, established on April 30, 1575.
In the center of Heritage City of Vigan, you can find the St. Paul Metropolitan Cathedral. This cathedral was built in 1641, but before that, a chapel of wood was erected at the site in 1574. When you enter, you can see the intricate details of this door. Even if you're not into churches, you can see the amount of love and devotion that our forefathers has put to build this beautiful cathedral.
Simbaan Abasit in Vigan, Ilocos Sur. Its feast day is May 3 and established on July 16, 1852.
Right at the end of Vigan's bustling Quezon Avenue stands the Simbaan Abasit, which is actually a cemetery chapel. Ilocano, basit means small. But here, lots of miracles happen.
Simbana Basit is the only church in the region having an espadanya hung with bells. Also, a statue of the crucified Christ is found behind the main altar. St. Vincent Ferrer Parish in San Vicente, Ilocos Sur. Feast day April 5, established in 1795.
Tuesday. That's a special day when you'll witness the healing here at San Vicente Church. Saint Vincent Ferrer has silver wings. He's known as the Angel of Judgment. In 1949 to 1951, this convent was used as seminary for 40 refugees from mainland China. Imagine, this church was established in 1795. That's a lot of Tuesdays of healing.
St. William the Hermit Parish in Magsingal, Ilocos Sur. Feast day February 1, established in 1591.
This is St. William the Hermit. We are here in the town of Magsingal, where you can visit the parish of St. William the Hermit. It is known for its ornate wooden altar called retablo. Nepomuceno Tolentino, a native of Magsingal, did the carving of the altar, and he patterned all the angels, the beautiful ladies of his hometown. If you have something to confess, this is the place to do it. Would you believe that this beautifully carved altar was put together without using any nail? Wow, no nails. Amazing.
St. Nicholas of Tolentino Parish in Sinaid, Ilocos Sur. Feast day is May 3, established on September 29, 1591.
Welcome to the town of Sinaid, the garlic center of the north. This is a pulpit. This is where the priest gave sermons before. Almost all the churches here in Ilocos Sur has it. This is Santo Cristo Milagroso, the original image that landed the shore of the Dalakitan in Ilocos Sur. We fondly call him Apo Lakay.
Every year, thousands of devotees within the region and outside flock to the shrine of Apo Lakay in Sinaid several days before his feast on the 3rd of May. Today, the Santo Cristo Milagroso attracts devotees just like the Black Nazarene of Quiapo, and the faithful pay homage to Apo Lakay inside the church. These are annual pilgrimages to the shrine, and there is an impenetrable crowd in the church on the first Friday of every month.
I hope the 8 pilgrimage churches and its history left you inspired. This is Governor Dvbs. I hope to see you here in Ilocos Sur.
For more information on the pilgrimage tour of Ilocos Sur, contact iSure at Casa Maria Boutique Hotel, General Luna, corner Governor Reyes Street, Vigan City, Ilocos Sur, zip code 2700, telefax 077-632-1118, website www.dvbsavillano.com.